गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। क्लास नाइन्थ का जो फोर्थ चैप्टर है अ ट्रूली ब्यूटीफुल माइंड, ये अभी अपन करेंगे। ये आइंस्टाइन पे बेस्ड है और ये चैप्टर अभी मैं आपको पढ़ूंगी और फिर समझाऊंगी। बिफोर यू रीड, हु डू यू थिंक ऑफ व्हेन यू हियर द वर्ड जीनियस? Who is genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? We should now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession four groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and the energy. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos, and transferred the name Einstein into the synonym for genius. 50 years after his death, about Albert Einstein's genius still reigns. अब ये आइंस्टाइन के बारे में बताया है कि कैसे इसने थ्योरी लिखी थी अलग अलग चीज़ों पे, भले वो एनर्जी हो, इलेक्ट्रोडायनेमिक्स हो या जो भी चीज़ों पर हो, और कैसे वो इतने पॉपुलर हुए, कैसे वो इतने जीनियस थे और कैसे उनका माइंड इतना अच्छा था। Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. अब एल्बर्ट 14 मार्च 1879 को बॉर्न हुए थे और जर्मन सिटी में हुए थे। उनकी माँ को लगता था कि उनका जो ब्रेन या उनका हेड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है, इसीलिए शायद इस वजह से वो इतने इंटेलिजेंट निकले। At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do. With other children and his playmates called him Brother Boring, so the youngsters played by himself. Much of the time, he especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" तो अब यहाँ पर वो हर चीज़ ट्वाइस बार, दो बार रिपीट करते थे। और उनकी जो बहन थी जब न्यू बॉर्न हुई थी तो उसे उन्हें ये लग रहा था कि ये कोई मैकेनिकल टॉय है और उन्हें पूछा था कि इसकी व्हील्स कहाँ पर है। तो ऑफ कोर्स उनको नहीं पता था, वो भी छोटे होंगे जब उनकी बहन का जन्म हुआ था। अ हेडमास्टर once told his father that what Einstein choose as a profession wouldn't matter because he'll never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to too. He later began a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. अब वो एक वॉयलिनिस्ट बने और उनने वॉयलिन सीखा था क्योंकि उनकी माँ चाहती थी। But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He wasn't. He went to high school in Munich, the Einstein family had moved when he was 15 months old. He scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good. और उनको स्कूल जाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था और वो हमेशा स्कूल में जो टीचर्स थे उनके साथ उलझते रहते थे। और वैसे वो सब सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स लाते थे मगर उनको स्कूल जाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था और उनने स्कूल छोड़ भी दिया था। द प्रीवियस ईयर Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German speaking Switzerland, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. और फिर उसके बाद वहाँ से स्विट्ज़रलैंड गए। Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics, and after finishing school, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. But science wasn't the only thing that appeared to the dashing young man with a walrus mustache. ओके, अब उनको मैथ्स और फिजिक्स तो पसंद था मगर इसके अलावा भी उनमें बहुत कुछ था. Next page. He also felt a special interest in the fellow students, Mileva Maric, whom he found to be a clever creature. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the University of Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. The couple fell in love. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words, mixing science with tenderness. Wrote Einstein, how happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. अब यहाँ पर इनको जब वो ज्यूरिक में थे, स्विट्ज़रलैंड में, ज्यूरिक की एक यूनिवर्सिटी में थे, तो वहाँ पर इनको मिलेवा मारिक मिली जो एक बहुत ही क्लेवर लड़की थी और इनको बहुत पसंद आई और दोनों में प्यार हो गया. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and employed. And unemployed, he worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's invention, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at the work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Okay. अब इनको जॉब मिली जब वो 21 के थे, तब उनको जब वो ग्रेजुएट होने उन्हें जॉब नहीं थी, बाद में उन्हें जॉब मिली और वहाँ पर उनने टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट की इन्हें जॉब मिली और वहाँ पर ये काम करने लगे. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them have been moving very fast relatively to the other. From the followed the world's most famous formula which describe the relation between mass and energy equal to mc square. सब जानते हैं equal to mc square बहुत फेमस फॉर्मूला है. ये एक रिलेटिविटी से बेस्ड है और ये आइंस्टाइन ने दिया हुआ है. सबको पता है फिज़िक्स में और आपको बाकी चीज़ों में भी यूज़ आता होगा ये. Next page, page number 49. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problem in physics, his private life was unraveling. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. Okay, अब इधर पर आइंस्टाइन चाहता था कि मिलेवा से उसकी शादी हो, मगर क्योंकि वो 3 साल बड़ी थी उसकी माँ ने मना कर दिया और मिलेवा भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट थी जितना कि आइंस्टाइन था और इस वजह से उनने जो वेडिंग थी वो नहीं हो पाई. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons, but a few years later the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1905. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. ओके अब यहाँ पर 1903 में उसकी शादी हो गई थी. उनके 2 बेटे हुए थे. बाद में उनका झगड़ा हो गया, वो लोग खुश नहीं रहने लगे और 1919 में उनकी डिवोर्स हुआ. आइंस्टाइन ने अपनी कज़न एल्सा से उसी साल शादी कर ली.